Hello everyone, and welcome back to OGA Academy. We are continuing with our BO series, and in today's video, we will be focusing on our Preferred Customer Program. Our Preferred Customer Program that we launched in late 2015, also known in the short form PC Program, represents the best opportunity to engage with those people who may not be interested in participating in the organo business, but they sure do enjoy our products and they like to consume them on a regular basis. Preferred customers can be enrolled for free and they will receive a 25% discount in all products available with the company. The only requirement is that they must have an automatic monthly order set up in our system. That order can be for any amount of product from one box of coffee to whatever number you would like. On the other side, for the distributor under whose account the PC is registered, they will have multiple benefits. On one hand, every time they have 3 different PCs purchase something on one given month, they will get 1 credit, which is redeemable for a free box of black, latte, or mocha. But that's not all. You will also accumulate the PQV points that will count for your personal qualification. And if that was not enough, also the CVs associated with every product will be counted as unilevel commissions and will give you a 5% earnings on a monthly basis. As you can see, there is no way to go wrong with the PC program. We hope this information can make it clear as to how many benefits you have with the program and how much your customers will enjoy it as well. So knowing this, if we have a look at the PC panel on the dashboard, you can see here how many PCs you have registered, and at the same time, how many credits you have accumulated so far. Also, something important to remember is that those credits are redeemable within 90 days, so don't miss your chance to get free products. When you click on the PC panel, you will be taken to the details about your PCs and when they registered and with what order. Please check this from time to time and see how your customers are doing. You can follow up with them to know if they are okay with the amount of product they receive or would like to adjust the quantity or product type. Finally, we would like to remind you that PC Program is currently available in North America, Latin America, except for Peru, Europe, and Kenya. Excellent! We hope we have provided some more useful insights toward this topic, and we will see each other soon in our next video. Thanks for your attention.